$60.
Nah, güey, you ain't saying no love.
Si quieres, güey. Si no, like, it's all good. I'm just saying, güey, que al rato, para que no digas que no invito, güey.
Por eso nos invitar, verga. Man, I guess I'll think about it.
Alright.
Because, yeah, it's like $100 to $200 a day.
Yeah, I know. Look what showed up in front of my face. We're gonna open it right now when we come back. Alright guys, so you know we've been going a lot to the track, so I've been thinking lately, you know how before I used to have a tire machine, but I sold it because it kind of wasn't working too good. So it's getting a little expensive. So right now what I did is I found a tire machine on OfferUp. I'm gonna go check it out right now. I brought a spare. That's one of the hardest rims to take off the tire because stupid Varstones, they suck. So I'm gonna take that wheel and then I'm gonna test out the tire machine. If it pretty much works nicely and everything, then I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna bring it home. So let's go check it out, boys. All right guys, so I just finished testing out the tire machine. It's pretty good. This is one of the tough wheels to use because of the lip right here. It's kind of thick, but I got the tire out. The tire machine works pretty good. And I think it's a snap-on. It's an old one, but it works pretty good. Broski, let's take her home, boys. Alright guys, just made it home with the tire machine. She's beautiful. I'm excited. Guys, so update on the letter I got from the officer from the city. They actually came today and they were just parked right there next to my trailer. And I peeked out my window and I saw them, so I came out and I talked to him. You know, I was pretty like, the dude was pretty chill. He did say somebody went in and complained about my mess, but it was mostly about the cars. And he said the only thing I should like worry about, he told me to move the motors out of the way. As long as like they're not visible to the public view, I should be fine. So one of these days I'm gonna clean up right there and then just push everything to the side, and then maybe use the fence and just cover it right here like before. But good news. And fuck you to the neighbor that snitched on me. Fuck you. Alright, I'm gonna clean up this area because this is where I want to put the tire machine. I want to leave it where the old one was at. So alright broskies, we got it off the trailer. We're using the creeper. Alright.
Think we're gonna have to drag it from here?
Just a little lift, chale. And another lift. Alright guys, check this out. I just did my first pair of wheels. Shout out to the homie Angel for bringing me these tires. Now I have tires to roll in on the 350. But yeah, the machine works pretty good. I didn't have the pry bars, but my girl went to Harbor Freight and bought me some. I got 3 actually. So pretty happy that the machine works pretty good. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do like wider wheels than this. I think this is like a 10.5. And then the most I think I can go on this machine is like 11 or 11 and a half at the most. But I think I won't be able to do like 12-inch wide wheels, so it sucks. But I mean, at least I can fucking flip these tires and change them here and there, you know. I don't have to drive all the way to Andy's. Andy's is cool, but it's better if you have your own tire machine at home, you know. Check it out, guys. This is what I mean by the camber. I hate the fucking camber. Fuck camber. I mean, the negative camber. We don't like that shit. I don't like that shit. Check it out. Perfectly fine tire from this side. Still new, you know. I mean, I can still flip it, you know, but we ain't gonna do that. Hopefully we can fix that with my new camber arms. I'll probably install those tomorrow. It's kind of late right now. This is a short ass video again, but I wanted to show you guys my new tire machine. I'm happy. I'm stoked. I'm very happy, you know. Now I just gotta buy like a gas compressor that I can put on the trailer, and hopefully like in the future drift events I can take the tire machine on the trailer and then take it to the event and flip our own tires there, you know. That would be sick, huh? I used to do that before, but the tire machine I was using before, it was kind of gay. But then again, I was running like 15s back then. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, peace out. Bye. Alright, broskies, I'm gonna attempt to fucking do this on ramp. I'm gonna make sure everything's clear. Hey, what's up, broskies? Philly here. So this is our official flyer for next Wednesday. Grange, for the Grange event. I think I need to get some hit up my DMs, or PayPal info is on the flyer. Let me know if you guys want to slide with us.
Suspension is too soft for a guy like me, you know?
Bye.
I ain't soft. I am not soft.
Hey, what's up, broskies? I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed my on-ramp sesh. Just kidding, I suck. Anyways, here's our official flyer for our Grange event. PayPal info is on the flyer, or hit up my DMs and come slide with us. Alright? Like, share, and subscribe. And if this video gets 100 likes, I will do part 2 on the on-ramp. Okay? Bye!